Hey everybody, welcome to my video about the new Macs Apple presented today, October 30th, 2018. The new MacBook Air and Mac Mini. The new MacBook Air takes the Air experience even further with the new retina display that's the same size as before, at 13.3 inches, but packs in 4 million pixels with 48% more color. This new display alone already answers the prayers of most MacBook Air fans, but now also includes Touch ID and a new 20% larger Force Touch trackpad, all in a package that's 17% less volume than the previous generation. The new redesigned MacBook Air sports the butterfly design keyboard that provides more stability than a traditional scissor mechanism with greater responsiveness with individually lit LED backlit keys and only weighs in at 2.75 pounds. The battery life on the new MacBook Air is said by Apple to be up to 12 hours when you're checking email, browsing the web, or using productivity software, and can last up to 13 hours when watching iTunes movies. And talking about entertainment, the new MacBook Air has redesigned speakers that are 25% louder with 2 times more bass and wide stereo sound. The MacBook Air comes with 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports on the left side of the computer that can be used to charge the computer, use an external GPU, or even connect to a 5K display. And it also sports a traditional headphone jack on the right. The 2018 MacBook Air comes in a new selection of 3 colors: space gray, gold, and silver. The base model comes with a dual-core 8th generation 1.6 GHz Intel Core i5 processor with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage and starts at $1199 US. The completely maxed out Air comes with the same i5 1.6 GHz dual-core processor with 16 GB of RAM and a 1.5 TB SSD, and it sells for $2,599 US. They're available for order starting today, October 30th, and available November 7th. As cool as the new MacBook Air is, I'm actually pretty excited about the new Mac Mini as I use them for my home entertainment center and will be buying one in the near future. The new Mac Mini has been re-engineered and now sports either a quad-core i3 or 6-core i5 or i7 processor with up to 64 GB of RAM available, and all models now come with flash storage by default, with up to 2 TB of flash storage available. The new Mac Mini also features Apple's T2 security chip that consolidates several controllers into one and includes a secure enclave coprocessor that provides the foundation for encrypted storage and secure boot capabilities. And in case you haven't noticed yet, the 2018 Mac Mini comes in a really sharp space gray color and sports an updated selection of I/O ports. There's 4 USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports, 2 traditional USB-A ports, 1 HDMI 2.0 with an available 10 gigabit Ethernet connection. You can connect external GPUs and even run up to 2 4K displays. The base level Mac Mini comes with a 3.6 GHz quad-core 8th generation Intel i3 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of PCIe-based SSD storage, and retails for $799 US. For a fully maxed out Mac Mini, you can get a 3.2 GHz 6-core 8th gen Intel Core i7, 64 GB of RAM, with 2 TB of SSD storage for $4,099 US. So there's lots of options, from something simple for everyday use like an entertainment center, to a machine that can be used by the pros. The new Mac Minis are available to order today from Apple and will be available on November 7th. Are you excited about the new MacBook Air or Mac Mini? What are your favorite new features? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.